My name is Parker Brossman. I come from Greenfield High School, and when I enrolled in the GPS program, I had no idea how many life skills I would learn both in the classroom and on the job. When I first applied for my job at American Friction Welding, I gained experience on how to operate the machinery and the basics of friction welding. Along the way, I earned my safety and my quality certifications to give myself a head start on the certifications that I may need in the future. In the classroom, I learned teamwork skills that can help in both school and work by doing activities like the boat race or when we worked as a group to build Rube Goldberg machines. During class, I also learned important life skills like budgeting and the costs of renting and buying property that I can hopefully use when I'm ready to move out and find a place of my own. I also learned how to write my resume and practice for a job interview so that I have those skills for future employment. With all of these skills, I am one step ahead of other applicants. My extra experience will make me a better choice than most high school graduates without job experience in manufacturing. And overall, my time working in the GPS program gave me lots of experience, even if I ended up not having a lot of interest in the path I was taking. In the future, I plan to find out more about what career path I want to follow and hopefully continue to gain experience in future jobs. I'd like to thank all of the business partners for helping me gain working experience in the real world. And my last thoughts of wisdom are that it isn't what we say or think that defines us, but what we do.